you actually get out the bikes quite a bit, don't you?
Yeah.
You know where they are, probably all hot trucks. It's a Russian way. They're all doing EPO.
There's loads of them. That scared me. Oh my god. I was on the wrong side as well.